Flash sale going on the Crealit Hyper Series 3D printer filament. Different types available to choose from. This is the PET G White. It's right onto the standard printers, and this prints so smooth, this PET G. My print settings are right here, 234 degrees and 69 on the print bed. Print bed could go a little bit higher, but it's printing beautifully. Guys, if you want this roll, different colors available for you to choose from, and that sale won't last long, so click that link if it's still there and get yours. I also would appreciate it. Give this video a like, repost this to your friends, and follow for more great deals.